Hi, this is Jeff for Jeff's This and That channel. There's nothing like laying around in a boat and working on it. I'm trying to remove this gear shifter and throttle control here. And you have to get down where it's at because it's in under this console with the steering wheel, speedometer, all that stuff. And then you have all this wiring in here, and it's way back yonder. So it's it is not the best job in the world, and it's not the worst job in the world. It's just you have to lay down, get down on your knees, or however you want to do it to get in there. But the best way I know is lay down and get to the job the best way you can. And when something's way back in there like that, it makes it even harder on you. There's worse jobs, but there's better jobs too. But that's life. This is Jeff for Jeff's This and That channel. Until next time, and hopefully I'll get this out. We need to change it. Until next time, bye for now.